Alright guys, this is Mice again, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on, well, I mean, it's not really a tutorial, it's just a tip. So we'll get right into it. We'll have our main class. And then we'll do public static void main. Alright. Then here, we're gonna do a little thing that I don't know what it's called, but I thought about last night, and it's kind of nice to have. It's where you have a return type in a superclass, and you make a subclass from that superclass, and you want to use a different return type. So there we go. We're gonna have, I guess we'll just call it a superclass. And this will be public object get target. And we'll do return, I don't know, actually we'll make it abstract, so we're not going to return anything. We'll have the parent or the child class subclass do this. Alright, and then we'll make subclass, and we'll do extends superclass, and we have to inherit that method. So we add the unimplemented method, and here we're going to do this. Let's see what we can do. Can we change it? I'm pretty sure we can. Ah, yes. And that's the tip. All you would do is define what you wanted to return, and then just change the object type. Now what happens here is, if you were to use this in Eclipse and you say superclass sc equals new, well, you can't do that. But if you did subclass, you can't initialize superclass, by the way, that's why I can't do that. Alright, and then you did sub c. You want to see what you could do in it. You would see that the get target is an integer. It's not asking for object, whereas if you said sc get target, this here is an object. It's not, the class type is not the same as the other one. But you can change them every time you extend from that specific class that holds that method in it. And that's a good way to do certain things. Like, say you want to differentiate classes, but you don't want to have to check their type. Like, you don't want to say if sc instance of subclass, or you did that, you did other checks like other class and other, another class. Just keep going and keep on checking. You don't have to do that. You just know what method's in there, because it does extend from this, it's, if you've already made that type differentiation. Like if I said sc dot what is it, get target, I would have to cast into what I was expecting it to be, and this is unsafe. I don't know why Oracle says it's unsafe, but you can do this in like Lua, because Lua doesn't care about what type it is. If it's null, it's null. If it's not null, then you can operate on it. Awesome, depending on if it's a table or not. But here, what you would do is you would check if it's an instance of subclass, and then you would do integer, and then say, okay, this, and then wrap it in more parentheses, and then you would go dot, I don't know, parse or something. But if you were just using a superclass object, you would be doing what the object you were expecting was out of that superclass, and it would be an object. It wouldn't be like the ones you were expecting. You wouldn't know. The Java runtime environment would not know. So what you're going to do is all you're able to do is the basic stuff that an object would have, like toString or hash code or equals, and that's okay. I mean, if that's what you want to do, it's fine. But in some cases, you want to actually have very specific classes that have, like, they extend this sort of thing and do this. So that's about it on that. Yep, and I will be uploading a fun video after this. See you guys later.